Hey guys, I'm going to make this as short and sweet as possible. I know already that the idea of crypto, although it sounds enticing, it also can be just as equally as intimidating. So I don't want to overcomplicate things any more than what they may already be in your mind already. So we're going to make this very simple. Step one, you are going to want to select a crypto exchange that works for you. There are many out there. If you are someone that is just starting, I highly suggest that you consider going with Coinbase. The fees are a bit higher, than other comparative crypto exchanges. But what I do like about the Coinbase is that it is not only is it user friendly, pretty straightforward, easy to follow, understand, but it's also insured and covered by the FDIC, much like the bank. So let me explain what I mean by insured. Insured meaning that if there is some sort of hacker breach on behalf of Coinbase, then therefore your crypto, if it is left on the exchange, is covered. However, if somehow your crypto is stolen by your own fault, therefore it's not covered. It's not insured in that sense. So I just want to be very clear. Moving right along, once you do log on to Coinbase, you're going to be asked to either create an account or sign in. If you're new to it, which I'm imagining that you are, you're going to actually click to create your account. Upon creating your account, you are going to select whether you are going to invest as an individual or as a business. Obviously, if you're doing it on behalf of a business, you select business, but most of us, we're going to select individual. Also, there are a few things that you will need prior to creating your account, signing up. So just kind of be ready. You will need a government ID card, be it a driver's license or state ID, because they actually will keep record of that. And you will be asked for it. So you will need that. You will also need your bank account number, router number to attach your bank information. Also, you will need a smartphone because you are going to have to verify your phone number and more than likely while you're still online. Okay, so once you have gathered all the information that you need, moving right along, you're going to start filling in the information that they're asking you, like your name, right? Your email address. They're going to ask you to create a password. I highly suggest that you create a password that is strong, right? And that you actually jot it down, have a hard physical copy of it. I also suggest that the email address that you select is one that you have created specifically just for crypto. I personally am a fan of Proton Mail. I like it just for the security measures that they kind of like have in place. I like it. But whatever email you choose to go with, just make sure it's one that you specifically and solely use for crypto. That's it. Okay, once you have your email set up, then you are going to go into that email or whatever email you listed on Coinbase, and you are going to go into your messages, your inbox, and you're going to find the email from Coinbase asking you to verify your email address. You'll open it up, click. Once you click it, it will redirect you back into Coinbase where you will have that second box or that first box checked off. Okay, step 2, probably the easiest step of them all, which is just to confirm your phone number. Obviously, you're going to be creating your Coinbase account from a desktop or laptop, so you pull out your cell phone. When you're entering in the information, they're just going to ask you to select a country, enter in your phone number, and then you're going to press send code. Once you press send code, you will receive an SMS message from Coinbase, basically just verifying that your phone number is legit. It belongs to you. Okay, step 3. So there's going to be a few moving parts, right? You are going to verify your payment information, but within that, you are also going to be asked to identify yourself, right? So this is the step where that government issued ID comes into play, right? Be it your driver's license, state ID, or passport. Next, you're going to choose your upload method, which is basically going to be a webcam or your actual mobile phone. Next, after that, you are going to be asked by Coinbase to verify your identification by taking a snapshot of the front of your ID card as well as the back of your ID card. Once that's uploaded and verified by Coinbase, then you'll be able to move on where you are actually having to verify your banking information, right? This is where your bank account and your router number comes into play because you want that stored on file, right? So when you make your crypto transactions, it could come to and from your bank account. Next, you're going to select Start Charge Verification, which is basically Coinbase making two small pending transactions to your bank account. It's really their way of proving that you have access to that bank account and that that it's valid. So they're going to, usually amount is around about $1, right? And an odd amount of cents. To prove that you do have access to it, you're going to type in the two digits, right? The two, the amount of cents or whatever that's attached to it. And then you're going to click verify charge number. Once that matches up, then voila, right? You are official, right? You have your account with Coinbase. You are officially ready to start buying and selling crypto, right? Yay. So basically from there, it's pretty straightforward. You're going to see the option at the very top right-hand corner of your screen, especially if you're on a desktop, but also from the mobile view, that's going to give you the option to buy, sell, trade, convert. And of course, the currency is going to be whatever currency you're actually working with, be it euro, be it the dollar, whatever fiat that is, okay? So if you found this helpful at all, please give it a thumbs up.